Hello everyone, welcome back to MATLAB tutorial, and in this video we're going to do fun with MATLAB as I mentioned in my previous video. So let's begin without any delay. So today our first fun is that referencing the matrix elements of a matrix. So let me create a first 4 by 5 matrix for you guys. I'll just simply copy it from here and I'll be performing it in command window since there is no such coding here. Control plus V. Yeah. So here you see a 4 by 5 matrix. Now I'll just say, and again, now I want to check the elements of mth row of a matrix m into x. Okay, so here it says 2 comma 5. So second row and fifth column, I'll again take the copy the matrix whole, this time from here to here, and make sure the semicolon is also copied this time, since it, you know, it's working, it terminates the coding. Yeah, so I'll take it, copy, and copy it in here. Now I press enter. See, it says the answer is 6. Mx is 6. M into n, the product of second row and fifth column is 6. Simply now if I press Ctrl plus V again and mention it here 4 and make it 1. See, the answer is 4. So this was it. Now next, moving to the next one. I'll create the command window for you all. Yeah, so the next is one. Deleting a row or a column in a matrix. You can simply delete the entire row and a column of a matrix by assigning an empty set of square bracket to allow to that row and column. Basically, bracket denotes the empty array. So here you get the meaning of the empty array also. So let me first copy from till here to here. Okay, as yeah. So I paste this matrix here. Press enter. So here you can see a matrix A is formed. Now what it says it 4 comma colon equals to square bracket, which is an empty array. Now I'll copy this one also, since first I put another matrix like this, control space semicolon over here, and now E comma 4, control plus C. Yeah, enter, control plus V. See, it deleted the entire row, a row or a column. So as I said, now there are only 4 rows, 3 rows left. Since previous there were 4 rows and now there are 3 rows. So I have deleted a row 4 comma colon equals to empty square bracket. Simply I can do for the second row if I want to delete. Now yeah, first I can copy the A, paste it in the MATLAB, control plus V. Now here again take it, since I want to remove the second row, enter, enter. So you can see now the second row has been removed. Earlier it was 1 2 3 4 in the first column, now it's 1 3 4, since I eliminated the second row completely. So let's clear the command window again and move on to the third magic. There are now three categories here. Now first is the special array of in MATLAB. First is the zeros. So zeros is the function created by any array of zeros. The coding is 0 bracket and number of zeros you want. So let's try. I say 0 bracket 3, function is 0 for arguments type double. Okay, the error is that I didn't mention the s in the zeros bracket 3 comma s. Yeah, it's a 3 by 3 0. Again I take zeros bracket 5. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. Just being quick, this takes to spelling error. Zeros. Yeah, now perfect. Now still 5 bracket close. It's a 5 by 5 0. Now last one will take zeros comma no bracket 8 bracket close, 8 by 8 zeros. So here's the 8 by 8 0. Clearing command window. Now it says ones bracket function creates array of all ones 5 comma 2. Once you make this understanding the one that one. So let's begin. Once I put a bracket, 5 comma 2 bracket close, identity matrix in this one. So there are 5 rows and 2 column of 1 1 1. Let's give it another try. Once bracket, now I won't give it a space. Once bracket, now I need 4 rows of 1 comma 6 columns of 1. See, here you see the result. Now I again clear the command window. Is function create identity matrix. Yeah, so here's the identity matrix. Yeah, and if you remember, I've used this in this my second video tutorial where I told you about to learn the rank of a matrix. Okay, so let's try. EYE bracket 3, identity matrix of 3 by 3. EYE bracket 6 bracket close, 6 by 6 identity matrix. And last EYE bracket 4, which is with utmost. See, 4 by 4 identity matrix. Okay, yeah. So next is a magic square. A magic square is that square that produces the same sum when its elements are added row wise and column. So a magic bracket function creates a magic square array of magic 3 by 6. So here's the example: magic 3 and magic 6. Let's try this also. Magic 3. Yeah. So when you sum up the 8 plus 3 plus 4, it gets to 15, and 8 plus 1 plus 6 also gets to 15. So this is what it says. Or we'll try another one. It says magic, which is really a magic. See, magic n. It says now 8. Okay, so this time it's very used. So for quick time I use a calci. 64 plus 9 plus 17 plus 40 plus 32 plus 41 plus 49 plus 8. So the answer comes to be 260, and same will be for the when this I've calculated for the column, first column, and when you go for the first row the answer would be the same again at 260. So this was it. Now I'll again clear the command window. Okay, let's begin on a fifth magic, colon. The colon is one of the most powerful operator in the MATLAB. You have seen it once. If I don't put a colon or a semicolon, the coding fails immediately, and then I have, with the help of the command window, I am taken to the line which has the error. So this line really means the colon is one of the most powerful operator in MATLAB. It is used to create vector subscript arrays and specify iterations. So let's begin. Example 1 to 20. Okay, so you will be clear what 1 to 20 means. Now I'll bracket, open a bracket, 1 colon, so yeah, 1 colon 20. See, column 1 through 16. From 1 to 20 it says, so it says 1 2 3 4 5 until 20. Now what? Here says 100 colon minus 5 colon 20. So what basically it means that the counting will start from 100 and go to 1, but not completely 1. Here its colon says minus 5 and colon 20. So when the number will degrading start from 100, they will degrade in terms of minus 5, like 95, 90, 85, 80, and so on till 20. Oh, sorry, it was minus 5 colon 20 bracket close. Yeah, so let's try this. I'll just simply copy it without any wasting time. Yeah, so now I'll press Control plus V, enter. So as I told you, it says 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. Till 20, it stopped. Let's try one more example. Now I say that bracket 100 colon minus 4 colon 50. Now you guys, you know that this again counting will start from 100 and will subtract it in a form of minus 4 and end will end to 50, like 100, 96 and so on. So I'll press enter. The counting degrades from 100, 96, 92, 88, 84, 80 and so on till 52. Okay. So this was the last, and this is the link which I will attaching in the description box, where notes, basically notes on MATLAB, are available for you guys. You can download this and practice them yourself, and it's very easy. It's just a fun in a MATLAB. So this is it, and thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you need something more fun in this video, you can try yourself and tell me, which maybe I don't know. So practice it yourself, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching it. Thank you.